Hey guys, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's inside the Midnight Garden quilt kit. I just love this quilt kit. It's got the Indigo Garden fabric in it, and let's open it up and see what's inside. It's got this cute sleeve on it that shows the quilt on the back, and you've got this nice red box that you can use later for another project, or got it upside down, so you can use later for another project. It comes with a wonderful, colorful color instruction sheet that shows you exactly how to make the quilt as you go along. The nice thing about this quilt is it starts with a 10-inch stack, so a 10-inch square. So you get a nice variety of fabrics, and these make the flowers on the quilt. A nice variety of fabric in this 10-inch square pack. Then the background is this wonderful indigo fabric that's got kind of like a little cross stitch design to it that gives it a little bit of movement, a little bit of fun in the background. So this is the background of the quilt. And then this is the outer border, this floral, which is very, very pretty. It adds a lot of color to the quilt. And then you've got some yellow for an inner border, and then some teal for the binding, and then some green for the leaves and stems of the flowers for the extra that you don't need, that you need that's not in the 10-inch square. So everything you need to make this quilt comes in this beautiful box. It's a beautiful quilt of flowers, and who wouldn't love to have this hanging in their house? As you can see, this is a great quilt kit. Midnight Garden, it's beautiful flowers. It's made with the Indigo fabric collection. I think you'd love making this. So get your kit today. Everything you need is in here ready to start. Happy quilting.